When a snake bites you, how will you find out whether it was poisonous or not? So, when a snake bites you, and after the bite, you see 2 such holes, then do not panic at all. Rather, take a selfie with the snake and run straight to the hospital, because usually this is the mark of a poisonous snake bite. But if such a V-shaped pattern is seen on the snake bite, then understand, it's a bite of a non-poisonous snake. Although this method of differentiating between snakes is accurate only up to 90%. That is why you must go to the hospital on any snake bite. Otherwise, who knows? That snake might just be one of those dangerous 10%.